guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She got her up, shorty, you should be that squishy to you. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got her up, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got her up, shorty ain't tripping, she got her ghost. Shorty, she bad, she got it bad, she not one of those.
In today's video, we're going to be doing a Loragal try-on haul. This is my first time hearing about this company. First time working with this company. And you guys already know I got you guys with a coupon code. It's going to be ARIE12 for 12% off. So before we get into this try-on haul, I am 5 feet and weigh 128 pounds. I got everything in a size small. Yeah, I got everything in a size small. And the shoes, I believe I got in the size 38. So let's get into this video. So starting off with footwear first, I got these long black leather thigh-high stretch boots, y'all, and I've been wanting some long thigh-high boots for the longest because I just want to do like a mini skirt look, y'all. These are the boots, y'all. These are so freaking cute to me. I love. Let me put down the camera. Okay, I'm gonna just stand on my bed and show you guys real quick. These are the boots, y'all. These boots are fire, y'all. I love them, y'all. I don't know. This is not me. If you know me personally, you know this is not my look. I'm trying to step into a different side, and I just feel like these shoes are fire, y'all. These shoes are real comfortable. Like I said, I got it in a size 38, y'all. And the shoes is about to give with some nice, real short shorts or a nice, real mini skirt. I don't know. It's the look I'm going for, but y'all, these shoes are it. Okay, so the next thing I got are these heart hip long pants. That's all me jeans. And y'all, these pants are cute, right? It's cute. It's giving. It got the heart and everything. You see it in the back, right? It's cute. But my only thing is, I feel like I would have to wear these with some heels because these jeans come down really long. And then I feel like it come up a little too high. I really wanted them to be like waist, like low-waisted, if that makes sense. I want to be low-waist jeans. But y'all, these jeans come up really high. Like really high. Like yeah. But these jeans are cute though. They're real cute. Like, they have potential. They really do. You can still always make these jeans work. But yeah, I give these pants, well, the first shoes I give an 8 out of 10. I'll give these jeans, I give them like a 8 out of 10. These are not bad. Like, these are real cute. It's real fitted. But I have a short torso. The length is not bad. I could always work with the length. But yeah, I just wish it was more so, you know, low-rise jeans instead of high-waisted. But yeah, these are real cute. So on to the next item. Okay, so this is the next thing I got, and this is the floral print boho long sleeve bodycon top legging set. And y'all, this is really cute because this is not me, and y'all, and the way I'm about to really wear this outside, y'all, it's about to be giving, honey. So I got this in a size small. This material is real honestly. Okay, first thing first, I can say their clothing is not cheap material. They have good quality clothing. Like this right here is real thick. I'm hot in it. I'm about to start sweating. Like the pants come down to a nice size. I'm short, so it really doesn't matter. But sometimes some company pants be mad short of me, and I be so confused because I'm so short. But these fit literally at my ankles. They go past my ankles. The top is real good and comfortable. It's real nice and snug. I feel like the pants could have just been a tad bit tighter, just a tad bit tighter. A little tiny bit, because right here is a little baggy. But overall, y'all, the set is given. I love it. I love it. The print is different. I don't usually wear prints. I'm real basic, plain Jane, for me. I would give this a 9 out of 10. Like, yeah. Okay, so the next thing I got is this two bodycon jumpsuit long sleeve maxi coat 2-piece set. And y'all, I've always wanted one of these sets, y'all. And this set is giving, honey. I got this in a size small. The coat, y'all, is real long, honey. It's giving Batman. Like, It's real long and cute. It's also giving rich auntie. Like, I love, love, love. I feel like the tube top right here is a little it's a tad bit tight. But other than that, y'all, this set is giving. Yeah, I love this. Oh, yeah. I can see the pictures already. I can wear this. I wouldn't say outside right now because it's summer. But I could definitely wear this in the winter or fall, y'all. Well, it's not summer right now. I'm bugging, it's spring. But yeah, I wouldn't wear this outside. It's just too hot for this. Like, it's real thick. It's real warm. Like I said, their clothes is great quality. They have great quality clothes. It's not even funny. I'm impressed, but I've never heard of this company before. When they reached out to me, I was kind of skeptical. But, nah, yeah. This is giving. And this is it without the coat. This is it without the coat. I may just wear it without the coat. Like, it's still giving without the coat, y'all. It's giving everything it needs to give. Real comfortable, real cute. I'm jacking it. I would rate this a 10 out of 10. I love it. I love this one. I love this one. I ain't gonna hold you. This just might be my favorite out of the whole haul, y'all. So, now we're on to the next and final outfit. Okay, so y'all, for this one, I had to say the best for last, honey. I had to say the best for last. This is the one shoulder sheen metallic feather hem cocktail party mini dress, y'all. And this right here is everything. I believe I could have got a size up. I could have got a medium in this. I ain't gonna hold you. I could have got a medium. Because if I was to wear this out, I can't bend down. I can't dance. I can't do anything. But y'all, this dress is giving, okay? You can't tell me it's not giving. This dress is giving. This is my favorite. I had to save the best for last, y'all. This dress is everything. Even with the pokies, like, it got me pokey, okay? Okay. Yeah, I don't have much to say about this dress. Like, I'm letting the dress talk for itself. Like, this dress is everything. Even this right here is so freaking cute. I don't know who came up with this design, this idea, but this is everything. This outfit is mad cute, y'all. Mad cute. And I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. You guys should already know I was giving this a 10 out of 10. This is getting that 10 out of 10 for me. The Loragal honestly have some really, really, really nice pieces. They have way, way, way more pieces. I was surprised, y'all. I really thought this was some, I don't know. Y'all know these weird companies that be hitting you up sometimes and they clothes that be trash? I was skeptical at first, I'm not gonna front. But like I said, all their clothes is really good quality. Not one item gave me cheap vibes, y'all. All their clothes is good quality, and I would highly recommend. Like I said, I have a coupon code for you guys. It's going to be ARIE12 for 12% off, or is it 20% off? Let me see. Okay, so yes, like I said, it's ARIE12 for 12% off. So go ahead, check out their website, get a few pieces for yourself. Go ahead and use my code to get some money off, of course, because who don't love some money off? Y'all, I had to end up the video with this outfit, because, yeah, I really can't wear this outfit outside, y'all, because I will be revealing myself OD, but y'all, this Loragal done did it with this one. But this is the end of this video. All the same exact links will be down below in the same exact order. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it, let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.